Hello and welcome on this new live trading video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly share the video. Also, I would like to welcome first our new joiners and subscribers to the channel and just say guys, welcome everyone here. And just to let you know that I'm not only sending Forex signals, I'm also doing live trading sessions, and I'm actually a Forex trader, of course. And these are one of my sessions, and as you can see, we're already running in a good profit of about almost 5 pips. Anyway, for the new followers, I need to show them first which videos they have got to watch first in order to understand the strategy used in this live trading video, because we don't actually have space here to explain everything. So here is of course my channel on YouTube. Just go to the playlist please and go to the Forex scalping strategies, and right here you will find tons of videos which is actually very highly informative and valuable. What you will need to watch mainly is those two right here, the best Forex videos, the magic of trend lines, part 1 and part 2, and follow it later please with this one, the best Forex scalping strategy explained in details. You can also watch this one, the best Forex strategy, how to make 20 pips every day. This is actually my main strategy. The others are just explaining the parts of it, but this is right here the main one. So anyway, let me just explain to you guys the reason behind of the trade which I have just opened right here on the pound NZD. So as you can see right here guys, again I'm right now just barely on the 5-minute time frame. Pound NZD is one of those high volatility pairs which actually can provide you with a decent entry even based on the 5-minute time frame. The market will always be respecting those levels of support and resistance trend lines. So what I did right here, or actually just let me tell you a brief about my strategy. So it mainly goes like this: look for a resistance trend line that has been respected at least 2 times, then look for one fake breakout happened from that level of a resistance trend line. Now it's a waiting game to wait for the market to rise again to reach the exact same level of the real resistance trend line, not the fake one, the real one, and then place your sell order exactly right here and hoping for the best that the market will continue the fall, and by that we can actually make good and decent profits. That's exactly what happened right here. So let me draw it again so I can show you this happening. So look at that guys, we're actually running in good profit so far. So based on this sketching right here, now we can see here that we had a resistance trend line and it has been respected for once and twice, meaning that was actually a real level of a resistance trend line. Then right here we do have the fake breakout. Now how do we know it's a fake breakout? Because there is not a single support trend line occurred right here. So meaning the market just actually kept respecting the resistance trend line and then made one fake breakout. That's exactly what happened. And now check this out, my entry was again exactly at this level right here when the market rose again, respected the same level of a resistance trend line. So that's the reason of course behind this entry. And now for the take profit level, it has been placed to be right here of course at the nearest support to my entry. This is the nearest support. I mean, we do have right here a support, a resistance, a support, a support, a support. That is the nearest one of a support of course to my entry. That's gonna be my take profit level. Now for the stop loss, it has been placed right there because we are actually mainly relying on the fact that we're having a resistance trend line and we're entering on the after the appearance of the fake breakout. So therefore my stop loss has been placed exactly at the peak of the fake breakout, because if the market will ever be able to reach that level, it means that the setup is no longer valid. So far we are running in profit. I'm aiming about $80 profit in this trade. So far so good. Seems like the market is falling indeed, and seems like it's gonna be a payday. It's gonna be a promising trade so far. I mean, maybe we don't even need to pause the recording. We can just keep watching it going into the profit. Fantastic. I'm actually now feeling excited about this. Yes, more and more and more. 2 pips more, 50. That's gonna be fun. I mean, yeah, I want to see it hitting my take profit level. Almost there. It really feels good. I feel like I'm playing a video game. Maybe we should just close it right now. It happened before where the market has reversed like 0.00 from my take profit level. It will hit the take profit level, I believe. Yes, it will. It will. I believe it will. Yes, the bearish movement is very strong. And come on, give it to me. Yes, hit the take profit. I think that's enough. I don't want to. I'm done. I'm nervous now because it happened to me many times that the market has reversed just from kissing my take profit level and then reversed back into hitting the stop loss. I mean, admit it. How many of you had this scenario? So I'm done with that. Actually, it was a good deal. We have made a quick $65, I believe. It was a good deal. So I will stay with you guys. I will not pause the recording. I need to find another trade, and again we will stick to the 5-minute time frame. I believe we have something here. That is exactly, guys, the same setup we are talking about. The same setup. No changes. No changes. The same setup. And I have placed my sell order. Stop loss is going to be about $50. Exactly right there. Take profit level will be right here. Aiming another $60. I mean, that is just simply the same setup. Exactly. On the first setup, it was just a downtrend. Now we are actually on upper trend. The same setup exactly. Look for the real level of a resistance. Let me just make it again. Look for the real level of a resistance on upper trend, just like this one. Wait for the fake breakout to happen, and then wait for the market to rise again to reach the exact same level of a real resistance, and then place your sell order. As simple as that. That is exactly what's happening right here. A real level of a resistance trend line, another real level of a resistance trend line, a fake breakout, and now the market rising again to reach the same level of a resistance trend line. How awesome is that? So I had to place here now my sell order, and again my take profit level was placed right here as of my nearest take profit my nearest support to the entry. However, the stop loss was there for investment reasons, and also again our setup is actually relying on those levels of a resistance trend line, so therefore it doesn't make any sense to wait for the market to rise till it reach that level of a resistance. So it seems to be a promising one again. And again, my friends, keep in mind that I'm using, of course, IC Markets, which is really the best forex broker in the world for scalpers like me. I highly recommend you guys to try IC Markets. Look at the spread for the pound CAD is 0.3. That's amazing. And for the USD pairs, it's a flat 0. And that is the reason why I'm using IC Markets since 2016. And so far I have zero plans to replace them. I'm just very satisfied with this broker, and I highly recommend it. And of course, you can find the link to open account in this broker in the description below of this video. So anyway, I think it's gonna reverse. Yes, look at that. Now the candle is reversing. The bearish movement seems to be stronger. Let me know, please, guys. Pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. And as we can see, the trade is going in profit. I'm so happy about it, but of course the small amount is not a problem, because actually, guys, I'm a scalper, so meaning I aim about, I would say, roughly like 7 to 8, maybe 10 trades per day. So meaning making like $40–50 per trade is gonna be awesome. Of course, it will be cool if I can win them all, but it's not possible. I mean, it's just happening in the dreamland. I never win all of my trades. I lose sometimes, actually a lot of times. But of course, thankfully, with my strategy, it has a high winning ratio, and thankfully I'm able to make some profit. Now, I'm actually thinking to close the trade in profit. 5.7 pips is actually fine, and I don't want to risk. Yeah, I don't need just 2 pips. $37 of profit has been made immediately. Fantastic. And again, guys, check this out. That is what my strategy is all about. Looking at the resistance trend line, wait for the fake breakout, and then enter right here at the same level of a real resistance. I mean, I'm sure Forex teachers asking you to pay money to teach this, which I'm doing here for free. Now, why am I doing it for free? Because I just like to spread the knowledge, and I just enjoy it. Maybe if you want, guys, to return the favor, is to open account in IC Markets under my link. But again, this is really optional. It's up to you. Nobody forcing you, of course, to do any of that. Let me just see if we can find another trade. The video right now is also 10 minutes of length. I mean, right now it's almost 3 p.m. here, and the 1 hour candle is about to expire. Look at that. The 1 hour candle still has about 7 minutes of the closure. Usually we should stop trading at this time, and then we will continue by afternoon. But I think by afternoon we have to release a midweek analysis video, because many of my signals actually going right now in the right direction, but about to hit the take profit level as well. Let's see. Okay, I think that's going to be enough, my friends, for this session. The more important thing is you guys to understand the strategy I'm using, and hopefully you can apply it correctly. And I will try to see you in another live trading session video this week. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.